I have some Shake Shack. I've been craving Shake Shack since yesterday. This is my first time trying Shake Shack. I have the Korean chicken, Korean fries, and the Shack burger. Let's see how this tastes. Low-key, I've been wanting to try Shake Shack, but I'm like, they too pricey. But today I was like, I'm gonna get it because I've been wanting it since yesterday. Oh, look at these fries. Been wanting it since yesterday, so I'm like, look at this fries. I know what happened last time with the Chick-fil-A. I'm not about to do that. I'm not about to do that, but I got a burger that's well done. I ain't playing. See, say well done on it. I'm gonna try it. Ooh, and the ooh. I gotta take it out. I'll take it out and show y'all. But I'm gonna eat first. I need to make a thumbnail first of all. Let's try the fries. See how the fries is. I'm not sure. It's soft. I'm trying to burger. Ooh. It's good. This burger tastes good. The bread is so soft and moist. Oh my god, this burger tastes good. burger is so good. Burgers often, so today I fought for burger though. That is good. Getting full already. The burger was so good. I love curly fries. Sauce is good. I'm about to open this video right now. Yeah, I have had a Shake Shack. Like, I be eating from Shake Shack. This is my first time eating it. Will I eat it again? Maybe not. Because it's gonna be a bit pricey, but it's not that bad. I'm fine. So far. This is for later. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And please come back and watch me. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.